We have upper 30s at 8 a.m. into the middle 40s at best today. Clouds are going to rule until possibly the later afternoon, where we get a breakage and some middle 40s, but a dry Thursday, the eve of a pretty decent storm. There are a couple of systems that we're sort of waiting for a convergence here. The lion's share of the heavier rain and thunderstorms to our south, trending over the Ohio River, and not really a direct hit for us later tonight into tomorrow. But there are a couple of systems out west teaming up that will bring some cooler air and more likely snow for our Friday. So let's time it out. Computer model showing, again, a little breakage in the cloud cover through your late Thursday afternoon, and then snow tomorrow after lunch. Afternoon and evening could get some rain mixing in, but I think mainly snow, and could be on the heavier side for a couple, 2-3 hours in the afternoon, evening hours on Friday. So we have the possibility of maybe 1 to 2 inches, mainly through Washtenaw, Oakland, Livingston counties, but probably 1 inch or less for most of us closer to Detroit. Again, later on Friday, a tricky Friday evening drive. First half of the weekend is dry, but another mix and or snow Sunday morning could bring another 1 or 2 inches.